Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Welcome in. Today is a miscellaneous mess, and I believe that is a true miscellaneous mess. I believe that these items are going to stay as miscellaneous mess, which a miscellaneous mess is anything that is not a Dooney, anything that is not a Coach. So, if you're curious to see what these two items are, we're going to have a double unboxings because since they're small. We're going to open that up this episode. This is episode 11, and then we have 12. And 12 is going to be a good one, a good one. So this was a good one too, but if you're interested in what goodness I have here, then come on back. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming. Today is Miscellaneous Mess, and it is episode 11. So we're going to 12. That would be 12 unboxings. And I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm trying to get these all recorded in my last push. Today is Sunday, the 28th. Tomorrow, I have a big collab and a deck miss be releasing tomorrow. I'm sorry, y'all, it's so long. For those of you who watched it, thank you very much. For those who haven't watched it, it's worth the watch. It's worth the watch. We're gonna do miscellaneous mess, and then we're going to do advent calendars. I'm behind on the advent calendars. Well, one I bought later after we had already started into the season, and then the other one, I'm not sure how we got off track. I don't know. Okay, let's get started then. This first item, I needed this for my upcoming cruise that's coming up next month. These are the last 3 items that I have working out of another box. I have about 4 or 5 boxes from itsHadrian. So the last 3 items are off of the second box that I have also been working out of. And y'all, yes, I have purchased more since we have started CHAOSmas. So see, I will never be caught up. Never, never, never. But this is, ta-da! It is a sling bag, a bum bag, and it is, I'm trying to figure out what the brand is. I think it's a Hammitt. Yes, it is a Hammitt. The leather is very, very soft. I have my Vera Bradley that I always use, but I wanted something just a little bit more elevated. This right here is adjustable. Well, let me show you the bag first. Here's the front. It has 2 zippers. It has this zipper here, right there. And then it has this zipper here, which is the main compartment. It has a beautiful blue lining on the inside. And it has the, yes, Hammitt, a lifetime promise of the guarantee. Here is the labeling for Hammitt there. And this is, ooh, is it suede? It actually feels like real suede, but I mean it could be microfiber, but it feels like real suede. It's nice and soft. Does it say on here? I'm sure he told us. This is part of the Mulholland collection. It's a spray with protectant before your first outing. Avoid contact with dark washes. Very interesting. I'll have to ask him or look back at the live that if he said if it's really suede or not, or if it's microfiber. I can't tell. I can some of them. This, now that I'm feeling it, this feels like it could be a microfiber because it feels a little bit different than the Dooney suede if I think about it. But in any case, I like it. And then this has a back pocket, which I really appreciate. Let's see if my cell phone fits in here. It does, and it zips up. Alrighty. So then this is adjustable. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I adjusted it to here. It also is a detachable strap here. So if it was too short, I can add a extender to it, which this is actually very smart. And then here it comes with this hand tag there. But I think this is going to fit me. Yeah, okay, look. So this is where I like to wear them. I probably can make it a little bit tighter, but actually I think that'll be okay. When we go on our cruises, I have to have our passports and things, and the passports will fit right here. I will keep miscellaneous items in here, hand cream, tissues, but I'll keep our documents in this big part. I'll keep our passports, and I will keep our boarding passes and what have you in here as we're unloading, as we're trying to get to the ship itself. And in the back, I'll have my cell phone right here where it'll be nice and close to me. So if my husband and I get separated, I can get to the phone. I can, like in this case, I can keep it unzipped so I can grab it easily and I can hear it, but it's there. I do this with my Vera Bradley, and the Vera Bradley one works perfectly. I've been just trying to find a second one so that I'm not wearing that one out, and that this one's a little bit more elevated. You know, it's leather, so it's just a little bit more elevated. It's not so casual. It blends in a little bit more. And when I'm on my scooter, then I can be hands-free, but I can keep this close to me because I don't, want to let it hang on my bag and they take that. Our documents is the most important stuff. The documents and it's just the most important. So I'll keep that there. So that's why I wanted it, and it fits. I had purchased a different one from him that didn't quite fit, but he took the chain off for me, and I added another item to it. That was a Kurt Geiger, I think. So now I have this one. So I have two leather black ones that will help with my upcoming cruises. One's in January and then one's in May. So this will be good for January. And then the other one, I don't know. We'll see what I end up taking. Then this right here is, I believe I remember what this one is. It'll be no surprise to y'all as far as what kind of item it is. But I don't remember. I remember what it is, but I don't remember who it's by. Okay. Yes, it is a denim envelope clutch. That I don't use clutches. And it's a Rebecca Minkoff. I don't have very much from Rebecca Minkoff. I don't really vibe too much with her. I like some of her stuff, not all of her stuff, but I like this because of course it was denim. And I like denim. But I thought it was cute, and I also thought that this would be good to keep documents in while on the ship. I can put them in here and then put it in the safe, and I know where everything's at instead of kind of scattered in the safe. I thought that would be kind of neat because the safe, most of the safes are bigger than this. If it's smaller, then I can't use it, but most of the safes are bigger, bigger than this. This will fit in there fine, and I won't have to take it out. And it's really neat because this is like zipper all around there. It has this on the back, so it's really neat. And if it doesn't work for that, because I also thought, well, if I wanted to, I could use it as a clutch. I can put in a, how they put the chains here and hang it over, and it can be a nice, another additional little purse for dinner or what have you, if need be. But I take lots of purses, so I should be okay with that. But I mainly wanted this to put in the safe. Okay, so the two things, the miscellaneous things, which miscellaneous is anything that's not Dooney or Coach. This is a Hammitt bag, which is my first Hammitt bag of any kind, and Rebecca Minkoff. I have a couple of pieces from her, so it's not my first time, but I haven't unboxed anything in a couple of years from her. Ta-da! All right, let's get to our advent calendars. Okay, Bean Beauties, I don't know how I got off on the advent calendar. So I believe the advent calendar for miscellaneous is the Build-A-Bear. So I have 4 days left. No, I have 4 bears left to build. And, I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. But I have 2 videos left to film for Build-A-Bear, for the Build-A-Bear. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a bear, build a bear, open another bear, build a bear, open 2, this video, and the last 2 on the last video. Okay? So hang out with me. Hopefully this isn't like a 30-minute video already. So day 11 is Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy, he needs these clothes. He has a scarf and a gingerbread guy and what else? And a shirt and pants maybe. So I believe there'll be 3 days. The next 3 days will go for Mr. Frog. So Mr. Frog was 11. So we're going to open up. Okay, I missed day 10. Day 10 is the hot chocolate for the for Mrs. Rabbit. The rabbit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 11 was that. Chaos, y'all. Chaos. Somebody had said, I don't remember who it was, said, how do you keep it all straight? I'm obviously not keeping it straight. So 11 is the froggy. So 12 will be a piece of clothing for the froggy. It's his pants. 13 is his, oh wait, these are his shorts. Oh, okay, these are the shorts, and these are, this is the shirt. And that was day 13. So day 14 is his scarf. So did he have more than that? Oh, he had the gingerbread guy. Day 15. Oh, so four days go with them? Oh, maybe that's why I'm off. I must have missed something. Okay. And here it is. Let me build them, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, here's Mr. Frog. Isn't it cute? His little shorts and his top, his little scarf, and his little gingerbread guy. When my grandkids were picking their bears, Mr. Frog was the last one, and my grandson it was his last pick. So he was a little disappointed because he got Mr. Frog. And then I said, well, Mr. Frog actually has a really good name. Do you know what Mr. Frog's name stands for? And he says, no. And I said, Frog is spelled F-R-O-G. And what his name really stands for is F is fully, R is for rely, O is on, and G is for God. Fully rely on God. So then he was super, super happy about that. And so then it kind of became his favorite little bear item from the Build-A-Bear. So this is him. All right, let me get, are we building two today? Let's see what the next one is. Yes, we're building 2. So the next one is 16 is, oh, a pink bear. Okay. So day 17, he is the fa la la shirt. Day 18 is, oh, a cute little glitter skirt or metallic skirt. She's in fashion. 19 is, oh, it's way in the back. 19 is her shoes. I'll have to get the hubs to help me with that. 20 is the little candy cane lollipop, peppermint lollipop. All right, let me build her and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is what it looks like with the shirt, and then the shoes will go on there, but I can't do those. My hands, my picture skills don't do it. Oh, the skirt, she's naked. Don't look at her. Hold on. There, okay, there. She's properly dressed now, with minus the shoes. I'll put the shoes here. And we're gonna tuck them into the tree. Okay, that's good enough. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for coming by for Miscellaneous episode 11. We have one more to go. And we'll hope to see you on the next one and whatever is left for this week. Love y'all. Bye-bye.